Gaming of Tesla Mod S battery pack technology does not require spending hundreds of thousands to replace the entire battery pack and thousands of dollars to get signal. First, drop the battery pack and prepare to remove the battery. Blow out all your homework. Start panting. Pry open the upper cover. Take off the damaged cover. Pry open the battery damaged cover this time, and see that there's water underneath the battery module. This bureau board was also soaked in water. Clean it out. Wipe up the water and put the repaired battery back in and connect it. Check the battery data, voltage and temperature within the BMS. The voltage and temperature are normal. The battery case is out of focus first. Then apply Uran glue and tighten the screws. Smash the battery case flat again.